up, everybody? Welcome to Park Mazda. I'm Aaron Lowe. I'll be your host for today. This is the 2019 CX-3, and we're going to take a look at Apple CarPlay and how to use it. Very easy to do. You'll see down here, right here, you'll see the USB ports. The very top one has a small mobile device pointing at it. That's the one that you're going to want to plug into out of the two USB ports. Plug in your cord, and then you're going to plug in your phone, and you'll see that it quickly connects to the Apple CarPlay. How you'll control everything, you can use the touchscreen or you can use the Mazda HMI commander, the human machine interface. Just by turning the dial, you can cycle through all of the applications that are available to you. One of the things a lot of people like to use with Apple CarPlay is the maps. So once you're on the map screen, you can move it around with the HMI commander. You can click on your destinations, if you've got your home, gas station, restaurants, stuff like that. Very easy to program into your map. It's just been updated so that if you have iOS 12 and Google Maps 5.0, then you'll be able to use Google Maps on Apple CarPlay, which it hasn't been able to be used previously. But now if you have those updates completed on your phone, you'll be able to use Google Maps. Other than that, you'll have to use the original Apple Maps app. If you go onto the HMI commander, the home button there, if you click home, it's going to take you back to the home Apple screen. It won't take you back to the Mazda screen. In order to do that, you go to this Mazda symbol right there. You can either press it in with the HMI commander or you can use the touch screen. That'll take you back to your original Mazda Infotainment screen. You can see up in the top corner here the Apple CarPlay button. You just click it and that'll take you right back to it. You can go to your music, you can go through your library, your playlists, artists, albums, just like on your iPhone. And you click through just like that. As you hit back on the back button, right there, you'll see that it's just taking you back through the screens that you've been shuffling through for the music. If you'd like to send a text message, click into your messages.
To whom should I send your message?
Siri will ask you that. Send a message to Sean McInnes.
What do you want to say?
Hello, I'm using Apple CarPlay.
Your message to Sean McInnes says, "Hello, I'm using Apple CarPlay." Ready to send it?
Send.
Done.
So you can see you can use voice activation for it. You can use the HMI commander to select any of the options. So you can see that there are different contacts that I have right here. If you click on one of them,
go ahead.
You can then send a text message to them with voice activation, just like that. You can see on the phone as well, the message I sent to Sean, hello, I'm using Apple CarPlay. So it's pretty responsive as far as voice activation and everything goes. For the phone, you click into the app and Siri will ask you who you want to call.
Who do you want to call?
Ash Rasa.
Calling Ash Rasa.
Which is that gentleman right there.
Hello, Ash speaking.
Hello, Ash. We're calling you from our Apple CarPlay in the CX-3 right in front of you. Hello, wave.
Oh, hello.
All right, Ash, thanks very much.
No problem.
Very easy to do. You can go to your call list, your contact list, your keypad. As you can see on the bottom left, you've got the home button, just like you would see on your iPhone. You can do one of two things. You can hold it down with the touch screen, or you can use the HMI commander just by holding down the button. And that'll activate Siri just like you would with your phone. Play the Tragically Hip.
Here are some popular songs by the Tragically Hip.
So you can see that it works just like your phone. It mirrors it almost exactly. You can't necessarily read any text messages or anything like that because of safety issues, but if you get a text message come in, it'll read back, Siri will read it back to you, and you can voice activate any text messages or phone calls. Call Ash Rasa.
Calling Ash Raza.
Just like you would with your phone. Text Ash Rasa.
What do you want to say?
Hello.
Your message to Ash Raza says, hello. Ready to send. Okay, I'll send it.
So when you receive a text message, you'll get a notification just like that. You can click on it.
Ash said, hello Aaron, how are you?
And
Want to reply?
and Siri will read it back to you. And you can choose to reply, read it again. You can call Ash if you like. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to use Apple CarPlay. You can check us out online at parkmazda.ca for more information on your Mazda. You can also check us out on our YouTube channel for additional how-to videos, news, video blogs, and everything else Mazda related.